Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Seroburn. You should buy this weight control product or not, and what are the problems why you should not purchase. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information and related to this product. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you like this product is a affiliate product. Okay, and when you purchase this product, the link provider or anyone who is going to provide you link where you can purchase the product, so they will get lots of commission. Okay, so you can see over here, if you see any kind of price model which is related to this, like if you are going with like 30-day supply, then the costing is like this one, and if you go like 180-day supply or 90-day supply, the costing is like this one. Okay, so it means it's 100% definitely you can say like affiliate product. Okay, and what is the main issue? Affiliate product, the main issue is like results. When you use this product, when you use the product, affiliate product, you will not get any kind of benefits, and after using product you are not going to see any kind of change in your body, and you are not going to lose any kind of weight. Okay, and after using product you are going to regret why you have purchased the product. And if we talk about like other factors, that is like there is no clinical trials, there is no trust score, and there is no, you can say like safe side, it will give you, it will safe for your body or not, there is no such type of information available. Okay, so my recommendation is not. And if you are going to use this product, so maybe in future you may face some kind of side effects related to, you can say like any kind of stomach issue, so there is no such type of proof like this is safe for your body. Okay, so my recommendation is not, you can avoid product purchase, otherwise you are going to face some issues. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience you can share your thoughts is very helpful for other people also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.